Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I look like a little nerd alien. So today we are going to show you guys how to go from this to, drum roll please, to this. This was a very simple, this mask cost me $4.99 at Party City, and I was like, you know what, this is way too plain. I'm going to spice it up with my own skills and my own technique. So this is how you spruce up a plain Jane mask you can get from the Party City, and how to make it look scary and gory and beautiful. So I take my Skin Illustrator palette first, and then I'm gonna go in with some yellow just to kind of get the baseline going of the skin. And I'm gonna leave a little bit of out because I show so many times of me using how basically I'm doing like what I did with my bruise tutorial. I'm adding purples, blues, yellows, reds, just to kind of break up the skin texture, and then I will be back to show you guys the rest.
Oh, that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yeah, we turn the club to a freak show. To a freak show.
So I took a brush to get more precise around the eyes because I wanted the eyes and the mouth to be like the focal point of this. So I took my brush, dipped it in the alcohol, and added more. The less alcohol you use, the more it'll be like pigmented, the less diluted it will look. But this is how it looks after I just added yellows and reds, like I said, and I'm just mixing the colors. There's no rhyme or reason or special technique I am doing. I'm literally just bouncing color. As you can see, I'm literally bouncing color just all over the mask just to break it up, and my camera fell like 5 times with me doing this. Alright, like I said, I did not film the entire process because it took me way too long. Like I said, I kept going back over with color and color, but this is the final like paint job of me doing it. Like I said, you do however you want to do it. I broke up color, I added black, there's just no like reason and rhyme behind this, but I did put the mask up to my face, and I color where you can see my skin, which is my mouth and my eyes. And I did put in some green contacts. Yeah, green contacts to kind of, because I like green and red together because they look really, really complementary. But like I said, those colors were just thrown on there like any reason. You could use cream paints, but I think that with the material of the pig mask that I got, I feel like the cream you might have to set it. With alcohol activated paints, you don't really have to set it because it dries down, and the only way for it to kind of reverse is for it to be diluted with alcohol again. So I mean, it's up to you if you have whatever you can use, but I recommend investing in alcohol activated paints if you want your projects to come out bomb, because ever since I switched over to alcohol activated paints, I can just tell the difference in my overall makeup, the application, the finished product. It just looks so much better. I can't stress it enough. And before, when I first started, I was like, do I really need the palette? But honestly, if you have the money, I suggest you invest in the Skin Illustrator palettes. They're bomb. They're worth the money. I can't stress it enough. But with the cream, you might have to set the cream so it doesn't slip or slide. My mask, I can grab it right now without anything getting on my hands because, like I said, it dries down without alcohol. So I know that was a little rant about the paints, but I'm just telling you what works for me personally.
Ladies and gentlemen, step right up for another amazing banger by Lex Blaze and Daddy Paul.
I put the mask on so I can kind of see like where, if I turn to the side, can you still see some of my skin? And you still can. So I'm just going to fill in the gaps and holes of where you can still see my skin. And then we're going to go on to the fun part, which is blood.
Take a look through the peephole. Yo, everybody's getting geek, bro. Stop the hate and let them leaks know that we turn the club into a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club to a freak show. Turn the club, yeah, we turn the club to a freak show.
I'm applying blood wherever I see fit. I'm putting it in my nose, a little bit around my eyes, a little bit around my mouth, because you never know if a pig is eating someone or something. They're gonna get it everywhere. Pigs are pigs. What do you expect? But that's just where I put mine at. Guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for staying tuned to my channel. Even if you're not subscribed, thank you for watching. I'm trying to scare Allie and she is not amused at all, but thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe for the next one.
Dirty bass that be coming at you. Roller coasters like a supernova. I'm the ringmaster, this my tabernacle. See you screaming, I'm like, what for? Oh, you pop? Yeah, I got popcorn. I don't wake up on the wrong lawn, so we won't stop.